Apple to stop manufacturing of HomePod, but HomePod Mini will remain. In rather sad or bad news, Apple is stopping manufacturing of HomePod, which was delight for music lovers. The company has decided to keep its efforts toward HomePod Mini, Apple said following in a statement to TechCrunch. HomePod Mini has been a hit since its debut last fall, offering customers amazing sound, an intelligent assistant, and smart home control, all for just $99. We are focusing our efforts on HomePod Mini. We are discontinuing the original HomePod. It will continue to be available while supplies last through the Apple Online Store, Apple retail stores, and Apple authorized resellers. Apple will provide HomePod customers with software updates and service and support through Apple Care. Apple is recommending to buy HomePod while sales lasts, and only white model is available for sale on their website store. As always, Apple did face backlash for wicked price of HomePod, relatively a speaker for the price of $349. Really? Sales of HomePod had not been great since the start, so Apple decided to offer HomePod Mini for $99. No wonder sales are low of big HomePod, so it's therefore being discontinued.